How to change Grubhub driver reason. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser and in the search bar, search for grubhub.com. It will land you on this official page of Grubhub. First of all, you need to sign into your account. So over here, enter your email address and then your password of your Grubhub account. Once you have entered your login credentials, tap on sign in. You will be logged into your Grubhub account. In this homepage of Grubhub, head over to account over here and then move into address and phone. It will show you your previous address that you have added. In order to change, tap on edit right beside delete. Or if you want to add a new address, click on add a new address over here. And then click on saved addresses and phone. Tap on this plus icon at the top right. After that, enter the new reason that you want to. Once you have entered the specific reason, tap on save. And then your driver reason will be changed successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can change your Grubhub driver reason. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.